So blush can be your worst enemy or your best friend. And I love blush. It's the perfect way to bring some brightness and glow to your face, and it's always hard to find one blush that works with all skin tones. But I'm happy to introduce to you one palette that can work for all skin tones. And this is NYX's Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette. I'm Lizbeth, and I'm here to show you which blush colors might be great for your skin tone. For fair to light skin tones, I definitely recommend a soft pink or a light coral. This is a light coral with a touch of shimmer, and shimmery formulas are a lot easier to blend out. This will give you a natural flush on your cheeks. For medium skin tones, you might want to check out a rose pink, a mauve, or even a deep peach. This mauve shade looks rich and gives depth to medium skin tones. It looks soft, delicate, and really pretty. For dark to deep skin tones, you definitely want to check out a warm mauve, a deep fuchsia, or even tangerine. This tangerine shade actually enhances and pops on dark and deep skin tones. I hope this video was informative and helped you figure out which blush shade was right for you. Be sure to comment below what shade you love as well as what you want to see next on Ipsy You. I'll catch you later. Bye!